Karnataka Muslim Muttahida Tariq today in Bengaluru awarded Tipu Sultan Awards. Prince Bakhtiar Ali Shah, who is a direct male descendant of Hazrat Tipu Sultan, presented the awards to dignitaries. The awards were for valuable contribution in the development of nation with promoting to peace, unity and national integrity.
I am really humbled by this great award being conferred on me. Whatever I have done in my service as a lawyer, as a citizen, as an activist, is my constitutional duty to uphold composite culture of India, establish unity in diversity, and to ensure that secularism prevails in every walk of life and in every institution of national activity. It is towards that end I have been working, and I am happy recognizing that this award has been conferred on me. So I am humbled by this gesture on the part of the organizers, and particularly Prince Bakhtiar Ali Shah for conferring me this award.